Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best laptops on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Acer Aspire E15. This is our best budget laptop for graphic design. The Acer Aspire E15 features an 8th generation Intel Core i5-8250U processor that runs at up to 3.4 GHz with Turbo Boost. You also have 8 GB of RAM for fast and efficient multitasking. This computer is powerful enough to run a number of modern games as well. This laptop has a 15.6-inch Full HD widescreen LED-lit IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. You can expect a very sharp picture that delivers plenty of detail. This makes it great for designing websites and some light photo editing work. You can get up to 15 hours of use from this laptop until recharging is necessary. This means that you won't have to deal with constantly staying by an electrical outlet. When you want to work out of the office or away from home, this can be very convenient. The 256 GB solid-state drive in this laptop provides you with ample storage space for all of your files. It also gives you the ability to load up files and applications quickly. The NVIDIA GeForce MX 150 graphics card also makes this computer great for doing graphic design work. The features include Full HD display. The 1080p display of this laptop gives you a sharp and clear picture with a respectable amount of detail. DVD drive. This laptop's DVD-RW drive allows you to read and write CD and DVD discs. Solid-state drive. The solid-state drive in this computer gives you lots of storage space and fast file load and transfer speeds. The pros are powerful CPU. The state-of-the-art 8th generation processor in this laptop gives you a high level of power for efficient functionality. Solid keyboard design. This laptop also has a nice keyboard design with plenty of travel to make your graphic design work easier. Sleek look. The smooth and clean design of this laptop gives it a nice overall look that you'll be sure to appreciate. And for the cons, the graphics card in this laptop could be a little better. If you're looking for a good laptop for graphic design work on a budget, this one is a good choice. It doesn't offer a ton of bells and whistles, but it will definitely get the job done efficiently. If you're looking for a new mobile desk to allow you to work and watch videos anywhere, I've got the perfect product for you. This mobile, multi-purpose desk works perfectly in nearly all situations. I bought this for myself a few weeks ago, and I've got to say it's been amazing. It allows for comfortable computing on your couch, bed, or nearly anywhere. Built strong with adjustable legs, you can change the height or angle to get it just right, and the addition of a mouse panel just completes this. It's also surprisingly affordable. If you're interested, it will be the top link in the description. I've got a special discount code linked below as well for those interested. The 4th product on our list is the MSI GV62 8RD200. The MSI GV62 8RD200 gives you a 15.6-inch HD EDP IPS level display. This laptop's high level of visual detail and clarity makes doing graphic design work that much easier. The new Intel 8th generation Core i5-8300H processor in this laptop has a base speed of 2.3 GHz, which can be increased to 4 GHz with Turbo Boost. You also have 8 GB of DDR4 memory, which can be expanded all the way up to 32 GB. There's a 1 TB hard drive that offers you more than adequate data storage as well. The 16 GB of Intel Optane memory will provide you with enhanced overall functionality. This is something that you will be sure to notice when doing your work on a daily basis. This laptop uses exclusive Cooler Boost technology that keeps its internal components at the right temperature all the time. This means that you won't have to worry about overheating becoming an issue. We really like the keyboard on this laptop, which offers tactile feedback and optimum WASD zone as well as support for multi-key inputs. All of this ultimately makes it easier to be productive on a daily basis. The features include Optane memory. The 16 GB of Intel Optane memory this laptop offers gives you enhanced multitasking capabilities. Cooler Boost technology. This laptop is designed to keep itself at a nice, cool temperature at all times. 3D surround sound. The Nahimic 3 audio technology gives you 3D surround sound for an immersive gaming and music listening experience. The pros are solid GPU. This laptop features an NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti GPU, which allows you to do advanced graphic design work with ease. Fast performance. The powerful CPU and ample memory this computer offers gives you smooth and fast overall performance on a consistent basis. Vibrant display. The vibrant and sharp display of this monitor is perfect for gaming and graphic design tasks. And for the cons, the short battery life of this laptop is a little bit disappointing. When you need a solid laptop for graphic design work, this one is an excellent option to look into. It gives you plenty of power and speed, as well as a modern graphics card that offers impressive overall performance. The third product on our list is the Apple MacBook Pro. The Apple MacBook Pro uses an Intel Core i7 processor with a base speed of 2.8 GHz, which can be pushed up to 3.8 GHz. There's also a whopping 16 gigabytes of LPDDR3 memory in this laptop, making it beyond efficient. The 256 gigabytes of solid-state drive storage gives you all the space you'll need for your work and personal files. We really like the Radeon Pro 555 graphics card in this computer, which has 2 gigabytes of memory. While it isn't state-of-the-art, it is good enough for lots of different graphics design tasks. You'll have 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports, providing you with extremely fast charging and data transfer speeds. The Retina display of this laptop gives you an impressively high resolution of 2880 by 1800 pixels. This means that you can always expect the best visual performance on a consistent basis. This makes doing all of your graphics design work much easier overall. The Touch Bar and Touch ID gives you a convenient way to navigate through your computer and unlock it securely. The features include solid-state drive. The solid-state drive in this laptop gives you ample storage to match your needs no matter what. Touch ID. You'll be able to unlock this computer by using just your fingerprint, making it secure and convenient. Backlit keyboard. This laptop's backlit keyboard gives you excellent travel and a high degree of visibility in the dark. The pros are fast USB ports. The Thunderbolt 3 ports this laptop offers gives you extremely fast data transfer and charging speeds for a variety of devices. Lots of memory. You'll have all the memory you need to get your graphic design work done as efficiently as possible. Amazing display. The Retina display with True Tone gives you an incredibly high degree of detail and clarity. And for the cons, this laptop's bezels could be a little bit slimmer. Measuring 14.7 by 2.2 by 10.5 inches with a weight of just 6.4 pounds, this laptop is very compact and lightweight. If you happen to travel a lot for work, you'll be very grateful for this. It gives you a fairly powerful design that is very well suited to all different kinds of graphic design work. The second product on our list is the Dell XPS 159570. The Dell XPS 159570 has a brilliant 15.6-inch 4K Ultra HD display with a resolution of 3840 by 2160. This allows you to see even the smallest details of whatever you're looking at. If you need a new laptop for graphic design work, you will definitely appreciate the excellent display this one offers. It has a 400 nits brightness rating, which makes the picture even more stunning. This laptop uses an impressive 8th generation Intel Core i7 8750H processor, which can run up to 4.1 GHz. The 16 gigabytes of storage that you also have will provide you with seamless multitasking capabilities. You won't ever have to deal with any sluggish performance or lag while you're working. The 512GB M.2 2280 PCIe solid-state drive offers fast performance and lots of storage space for all of your data. There's also an HDMI port, which allows you to have an external display to increase your work productivity. The full-size SD card reader makes transferring photos and other files very convenient. The inclusion of a Thunderbolt 3 port is something else that you'll be sure to appreciate. The features include Precision Touchpad. This laptop's touchpad prevents issues like jumping and floating cursors for smoother overall functionality. Waves Max Audio. The sound system this computer offers gives you clear and loud audio with a striking degree of detail. Anti-reflective coating. The display has an anti-reflective coating that always gives you a good look at whatever you're working on. The pros are sturdy construction. The single block of aluminum this laptop is made from means that it can provide you with lasting durability. Superb display. This laptop's 4K display gives you an incredible picture with impressive detail and clarity. Excellent graphics card. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti Max-Q graphics card makes doing graphic design work much easier. And for the cons, there's only enough space for one solid-state drive in this laptop. Measuring 14.1 by 9.3 by 0.7 inches with a weight of 7.9 pounds, this laptop is fairly compact and easy to carry around. It offers a decent battery life of around 16 hours before you have to start recharging. This makes it a great choice for graphic designers on the go. The first product on our list is the Microsoft Surface Book 2. This is our best overall laptop for graphic design. The Microsoft Surface Book 2 features an 8th generation Intel quad-core i7 processor that runs at 1.9 GHz. It gives you an ample 16 GB of RAM as well as 512 GB of data storage. These specs allow you to graphic design work with complete efficiency and absolutely no annoying lag. This laptop's NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 graphics card offers 6 GB of GDDR5 memory, which is ideal for graphics design work. It also allows you to play a variety of modern games without any screen tearing, stuttering, or other frustrating issues. The vibrant 15-inch PixelSense display of this computer gives you an incredible resolution of 3260 by 2160 pixels. You can expect a high level of detail, clarity, and sharpness when doing graphic design work or just watching videos. You'll be able to use this laptop in 4 different modes to enhance your work productivity. It can be used as a laptop, tablet, studio mode, or detached screen. This gives you the versatility necessary to get your needs met no matter what. The features include USB-C port. This laptop features a USB-C port for ultra-fast charging and data transfer speeds that you can always rely on. Quad-core processor. The quad-core processor in this computer delivers an impressive level of overall performance. Touch display. This laptop's touch display gives you a high level of efficiency to help you get graphic design tasks done even faster. The pros are detailed display. This laptop has an extremely detailed display with an impressive amount of clarity. Impressive GPU performance. The overall performance of this laptop's graphic card is absolutely outstanding. Plenty of RAM. You'll have plenty of memory for smooth and efficient multitasking on a daily basis. And for the cons, the trackpad on this laptop is a little small. This is the best overall laptop for graphic design work on the market right now. It offers an incredibly fast and efficient design that promotes a high level of efficiency and productivity. You can always rely on it to match your professional needs. Measuring 13.5 by 9.9 by 0.9 inches with a weight of 4.2 pounds, it is also very light and compact. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.